In this video, we'll start our Photoshop action running on the TIFF files. So Capture One is finished generating the TIFFs. It didn't automatically open them in Photoshop. If you walk through this and you're coming across where it automatically opens them in Photoshop, that's fine. That's normal. I actually have an issue where the TIFF is broken, actually. So if I were to try to open this, it's going to pop this up, basically. And no matter how many times I tell it to do that, it doesn't work. There's something wrong with the association, the file extension association with TIFF files and Photoshop, and it's just on this one computer, not any of my other computers, but this is my main, most powerful computer. So the way I work around that basically is I'll just come in and open up the TIFF files from the folder structure. So that's just something to be aware of if you're wondering why things might be a little bit different on your end if they open up automatically. So at this point, what I want to do, the TIFF files are all created. I want the ones that are 344 megs because we already ran these three through. And all of these, all I'm going to do is take these, drag it onto here, and then let Photoshop do its thing. And we're going to hang on for just a little bit, just to make sure. So it's running through 49 files here. We can see the selection, 49 files. And then inside of Photoshop, we don't need to stick around for the whole thing, but I just want to make sure that it gets started fine. So we'll make sure the first one opens, starts running that action. And then, yep, okay, so it's loading the file. Once it starts running the action, then we can assume everything's going to go fine. And of course, if it doesn't, I will hop back on and let you know. But we did all the testing and everything works fine. It's going through fine. So I don't have any issue knowing that it's going to go through the process on these 49 files. You saw how long it took just for one file or two files. And so 49 files is going to take a pretty significant amount of time. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. We just want to get this kicked off. And then I will come back once all 49 of these files have run through this action and have this base layer of editing so that we can start doing some more fine-tuned editing to the TIFF files that need it. All right, see you in the next video.